Hey guys, it's Rachel.
And Jean.
And today we're gonna play
What's in the Box? This is a fun game where one person sticks something weird in that box, the other person blindly sticks their hands in and tries to guess what it is.
Let the games begin.
What's better than a candy necklace? Taco tiara, huh? So you got a taco shell and then mini marshmallows jammed up in there and gummy worms. Kamut Puffs. She gonna guess Kamut Puffs? Would you guess Kamut Puffs?
I felt something. That's gummy. That's a gummy worm. These are marshmallows. They're mini marshmallows. It's like a snail. It's like a cracker. This is taco. It's a taco tiara. Who likes spiders? Nobody. I don't like spiders. I didn't even like making it. Gave me the creeps. You know, it's got the marshmallow body and those long licorice legs, those beady chocolate chip eyes. It's coming for Jean.
Some kind of nut. It's like, oh, it's smushy. It's a marshmallow. I think it broke it. It's long and licorice. What is that? It's a spider. Jell-O is an obvious texture, right? It's squishy. She's gonna totally know what Jell-O is. But will she know that I've gone ahead and floated walnuts in it? It's walnuts floating in a bowl of Jell-O. Good luck.
Whoa, that feels slimy. Ew. It's Jell-O. That's disgusting. There's more than one. It's a rock. A walnut? It's a dessert kebab. It's got cotton candy and licorice and Hostess cupcakes, 2 of them, and then giant marshmallows. She's not gonna get them all. Not all of them.
This is some kind of sculpture, I think. What is it, a pretzel? That's licorice. What is that? That's a marshmallow. Marshmallow. It's all on a stick. This is some kind of kebab. It's a kebab. 2 little Twinkies wearing a pineapple hat. Right? That's good. Yeah, like she's never gonna get that. Like pineapple, yeah. Little hat? No. Twinkies? Maybe. Twinkies wearing a pineapple hat? No.
Ooh. This one's spiky. It's pineapple. Is that a Twinkie? I don't get it. Thanks for watching this episode of Let Us Bake What's in the Box.
If you've got a good idea about what we should put in the box, we'd love to hear from you.
We'll see you next time on Let Us Bake.